Hey, welcome back to the channel. When it comes to cooking in the wild, having the right gear makes all the difference, and the camping cookware you choose should be durable, compact, and versatile. After testing and analyzing a variety of sets, I've narrowed it down to 5 of the most reliable and well-designed cookware kits for every kind of outdoor chef. So, let's get right into it. Starting off strong, the ALOCS Portable Camping Cookware Set delivers exceptional value for both novice and seasoned campers. With its hard anodized aluminum construction, it offers a perfect balance between ruggedness and lightweight performance. The set includes a 1.7-liter and a 3-liter pot, an 8-inch frying pan, and a 0.8L kettle, all packable into a single compact carry bag. The foldable, heat-resistant handles make it safe and easy to handle even when cooking over open flame. And the multi-functionality allows for frying, boiling, steaming, or making that early morning coffee with ease. It's a true all-rounder for solo hikers or small groups who want minimalist efficiency without sacrificing quality. Next, the Jusfane Camping Cookware Mess Kit ups the ante with a 20-piece ensemble designed for serious utility. Beyond the essential pots and pans, this kit includes stainless steel utensils, plates, silicone tongs, a bamboo spoon, and even a cleaning cloth and sponge. The cookware is made of hard anodized aluminum with a non-stick coating, making cooking and cleanup a breeze. The folding handles and nesting design mean everything packs into a small 7x7-inch bag, weighing under 3 pounds. Perfect for backpackers who want full kitchen functionality without the bulk. If you're cooking for a crew, the Odoland Camping Cookware Mess Kit is an outstanding choice. With 29 pieces, including multiple pots, a kettle, collapsible water containers, plates, cutlery, and even cleaning cloths, this set is truly made for 4+ people. It's a self-contained camp kitchen that fits into one nylon mesh bag. The non-stick anodized aluminum cookware is paired with foldable stainless steel utensils, making this a full-fledged kitchen on the go. Ideal for group camping, RV trips, or family outings, this is the set to bring when you're feeding a crowd. For those looking for an ultra-compact solution, the MalloMe Camping Cookware Mess Kit stands out with its simplicity and functionality. This 10-piece bundle includes everything a solo backpacker or duo might need. Non-stick pot and pan, bowls, spork, soup spoon, spatula, and a drawstring carry pouch. Built from hard anodized aluminum, it heats efficiently and is built to withstand countless treks into the backcountry. Lightweight, durable, and affordably priced, MalloMe's kit is a great entry point for beginners or minimalist adventurers. Finally, the REDCAMP Camping Cookware Mess Kit is another powerhouse for groups of 4 to 5 campers. With 22 thoughtfully selected pieces, it includes multiple pots, a frying pan, cutlery, bowls, a sponge, and even a rice ladle. The hard anodized aluminum build resists corrosion and high heat while offering excellent thermal conductivity. All components nest together beautifully into the included mesh storage bag, making it both practical and portable. Whether you're boiling, frying, or just heating water, this set handles it all with ease and is built for repeated use in rugged environments. This one is my personal favorite, because if you're looking for a compact, all-in-one cooking solution that includes not just pots and pans, but the actual stove system itself, the ALOCS Camping Cookware Set with stove is a top-tier choice for serious backpackers and survivalists alike. This 11-piece kit is truly where form meets function. It includes 2 lightweight pots, a 7.5-inch fry pan, universal lids, a windshield, spirit burner, stand, gripper, and even a pedestal, all engineered for high performance in harsh environments. Crafted from a blend of hard anodized aluminum, stainless steel, and copper, every material in this set meets European and American food safety standards. It's eco-friendly, corrosion-resistant, and incredibly efficient at heat transfer, which means less time cooking and more time enjoying the outdoors. At just under 1 kilogram, this set is remarkably lightweight and packs down tightly. Best of all, the included windshield and multi-fuel burner compatibility make it reliable in variable weather and terrain. Perfect for alpine trekking, bushcraft, or minimalist camping. Each of these camping cookware sets brings something unique to the table. Whether you need something compact like the MalloMe or ALOCS portable set, or a full-featured setup like the Odoland or REDCAMP, there's a perfect match for every camper. For the ultimate all-in-one experience, especially in tougher conditions, the ALOCS set with stove stands out with its built-in burner and windshield. No matter your choice, these kits will elevate your outdoor cooking and make your adventures more enjoyable.